Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Saturday, May 19th. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have another ARCHEER unboxing to do from Amazon Prime. The link is going to be down below. And in case you guys want to get one of these at a low cost, all you got to do is hit the link and take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get this in no time. Oh yeah, here we go. This is it. We have, bada boom, ARCHEER transmitter and receiver all in one. Bluetooth, all that good stuff. Here we go. Take a look at what this one looks like. Just slide out. Trying here. I don't want to ruin it yet. Oh man. Heck. Well. There we go. If nothing else works, use the scissors. Boom, boom. There we go. There we go. Whoa, look at this little guy. Look at this tiny dude. This will good with all your the other stuff. Man, this is tiny. It's like a record player. Got that right there. Come on, focus. Don't do this now. There you go, TXRX, power, jack, other jack. But this is really tiny though. It's really cool. Let's see what the else it comes with. Whoa. Audio. Oh, with your Cody, you could use get this modded into it somehow. Yeah. There we go. And all your Raspberry Pis also you could do. Here's what you get. Here's all that stuff. Good stuff. And then there's that. Bluetooth function. Receiver. And then ARCHEER. So very simple to use. Boom. Check them out, YouTubers. Get this little tiny guy at a low cost. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. And see you soon. See ya.